Okay, this is a guide video. Look at this countdown now. Look at this countdown. Okay, you see a stone will appear. This is a guide video on how this FINTOPIO actually works. You can see the stone has appeared. Now, inside this stone, there is a gem. Okay, there's a gem which is hold. That's the name. The name of the token is hold, right? So that's why I decided to start recording at the very end of the countdown. So the beginning of every hour, okay, this stone appears, right? This stone appears, and I think it stays till around the first 10 minutes or so. Now, if you don't break this stone to expose the gem, okay, at the expiration, I think about 10 minutes or so, another countdown will start again, okay? Another countdown will start. You won't be able to break this stone again. Another countdown will start until the next hour, and then this stone will appear again. So inside this stone, like I said, there's a gem which will give you around the 3,000 something of the hold, right? But if you are to just do the farming, only the farming, it will take you a very long time before you accumulate 3,000 plus, which of course I'm still going to show you the farming. I believe that's what most of you do. So what you do is that you, just the same way you tap your hamster and tap swap and other tapping projects, you tap on this stone until the stone is broken and the gem is exposed. But then shortly after the stone is broken, you're going to be very careful so that you don't shatter the gem. Okay, you have to be, it's going to give you a warning. So let's just start tapping. Let's just start tapping and then see how it works. Okay, this is the main way to earn big. You can see it's breaking already. So at a time now it will warn me that I should be careful not to break the gem, and then I will slow it down. You can see, right? As soon as it shows me the warning, I will slow down and then I will, okay. You can see. This is the warning. So you just slow down. As soon as you see the warning, you can see it has broken out. This is the real gem now. So you just wait for a few seconds and then you can see what is given to you. So it ranges up to maximum of around 3,000. You can see it has increased now. Please wait for the next game, the next hour. Okay, the next hour is going to come up again, and that's how you earn high, you accumulate it. This is a project that you don't want to miss. Okay, now aside this, right, you can click, if you click on the tax, then you're going to see the farming section. Okay, now normally when you log into your account, this is how it's going to appear. So you click here to farm. When you farm, you earn only 50 holds. Okay, but then when you do that, you can earn up to 3,000 something holds each time you do that, each hour. Okay, so in 24 hours you can imagine what you can earn. But let's just say 12 hours in a day, if you're able to do up to 12 or even 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, right? So that's it. Then on the task section, you click here to farm, then you start farming, and then you come and claim after every 7 hours, right? And aside that, you can also do referrals. You can have a daily check-in to earn 100 holds every day you check in. Now, aside that, this is a kind of project that has both centralized and decentralized platforms, right? If you click on wallet, you can create your own wallet, just the normal way you create wallets on Ton Wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and the rest, Exodus, and the rest. So you click here, then you click, you create your wallet. This is a decentralized platform now. On this decentralized platform, you can actually create your wallet, and of course, that's not covered in this video because I've created mine already. And then you save your seed phrase. Okay, it's completely decentralized. It also has a, of course, by that you can also store your assets here. Okay, this is my TRC20 USDT RC20, and then the Ton network of Theta, that is USDT, and all other assets. If I click on any, I can actually deposit it, and it's fully decentralized. Okay, but remember, just like every other wallet, you can store your passphrase, and you can actually import whatever you have here into another Web3 wallet, okay, just in case you have issues with your Telegram. But of course, that's why I always advise that you have at least your main account that you use for this airdrop should be on premium, Telegram premium, okay. That way you can hardly get banned, even though you are not immune from being banned. Then provided you keep to the rules and to the community guidelines of Telegram, you won't be banned, okay. But the point is that import your seed phrase. I mean, keep it safe so that if anything happens, you can actually import this into another Web3 wallet and have your fund reflect there. That's it. Then aside that, you have your centralized platform here as well. When you click, you switch to centralized. So here you can do free transfer, you can do a lot of, you can do P2P, you can also do some other things, okay. But I have not enabled it. You can see use DeFi. If I click here now, I will enable it, but I don't want to enable anything centralized because there's gonna be, if you scroll, if you swipe left, you'll see the KYC will be required, multiple level KYC, and then you can send via Telegram, you can send assets via Telegram username to anybody. I guess that should be free as well. So, but I'm much more interested in decentralized platform or this DeFi, decentralized finance, because I can actually import it into another Web3 wallet just in case anything happens to my Telegram. So that's how you, and this is one of the best project on Telegram to me, okay, in my opinion, right? So this is how you earn in multiple ways on this. Now, if you're on this finance platform, whether DeFi or centralized platform, you can actually click on this icon to go back to where you came from, right? To go back to the main menu, okay? So that's it. If you click here, you can boost, and you boost with stars, okay. And I'm sure you don't want to do that, so we go back to where we came from. Then you can also do swap here, swap, but it's coming soon. This is a relatively new project, but it's going viral already. Now if you click here, you can see apps, and if you click here, just explore, then you can see a lot of all these things that I already talked about. You can see this is my decentralized wallet that I have created. If I want to add more wallet, I can actually import another Web3 wallet into this place. So that's it. That's gonna be all for this video. Many thanks for watching. If you have your questions, you can ask it in the comment section. Also, like this video, share with others, leave your decent comments, and then I'll talk to you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the bio or description box to see the link to my Telegram channel where we give daily update, okay, on daily basis, timely one. Bye for now.